Hello and welcome to another Soak Central video. My name is Mihal and today I will demonstrate how to install Soak Central. In this video we will focus on installing the program and connecting to an existing database repository. Please see the video on installing Soak Central with SQL Server Express if you wish to use Soak Central for evaluation purposes. To begin, launch the Soak Central installer you have downloaded. The installation files will now be extracted. Once complete, you will be presented with the Install Shield wizard screen. Now click Next. Here you will select the language you wish to use with Soak Central. You can choose from English, German, French, Japanese, Simplified Chinese and Brazilian Portuguese. I have selected English. On this screen you can also open the release notes for the current version of Soak Central as well as view an installation guide. I will now click Next. You will now be presented with the license agreement for Soak Central. Once you are satisfied with the terms, select the I accept option. You can now click Next. This screen allows you to select if you wish to install Soak Central or Soak Central Connect. We will select Soak Central. Below this, you will have an option to install an execution server. We will choose to install an execution server on this particular machine. Lastly, you can select the pathway in which Soak Central will be installed. The default location is on the C drive. You can modify this by selecting Browse. We will now click Next. You'll now be presented with a summary of your installation options. Once you have confirmed this is the setup you want, click Next. Now Soak Central will begin to install. The next step is to select the licensing mode you would like to use. If you have yet to purchase a license, you can try out Soak Central for 45 days with our evaluation license. If you already have a full license, you can select the licensed option. For this video, I will choose the evaluation option. If choosing this option, you can also install Microsoft SQL Server 2008 Express SP1 if you wish. For this video, I will not install SQL Server as I plan to connect to an existing database repository. Now click Next. The installation process will then continue. You will be notified that the execution server is being installed if you selected this option earlier. Once complete, you'll be prompted to restart the computer. It is recommended to do this before using Soak Central for the first time. Please also note that to complete the configuration of Soak Central, refer to the administration section of the help guide. I will now allow the computer to restart by clicking Finish. Once the computer has restarted, click Start, then All Programs and click the folder named Silk. Here you can find your installation of Soak Central. To launch Soak Central, click Soak Central Instance Administration. Here you can go to the login URL for Soak Central. You will then be brought to the database connection page. Here you will enter the details of your database server and then click Connect Database. If the connection is successful, you will then be presented with Soak Central's login page. Within the Soak Central folder, you also have folders containing administration tools and documentation. For information on how to configure Soak Central and how to use the administration tools, you can use the document Soak Central Help as shown here. In summary, this video has shown how to install Soak Central and connect the program to an existing database repository. If you have any further questions on Soak Central, please visit our support line site. Thanks for listening.